In this video, we will compare Sling TV versus YouTube TV. So first, let's tackle Sling TV. So Sling TV offers a budget-friendly, customizable experience with smaller packages, which are orange and blue package, for cheaper access to specific contents, which is ideal for niche viewers. While YouTube TV, despite recent Disney Channel blackouts of ABC and ESPN, it provides a premium all-in-one bundle with 100 plus channel, unlimited DVR, and major local networks for a higher price. However, they actually offer 10 days for $0, which is actually a free trial. Now you can get it for $59.99 for your first 2 months and then $82.99 thereafter using the base plan. So you can choose between YouTube TV if you want more coverage, or you can choose Sling TV if you have other coverage that you want, which if you're actually not a very avid watcher, you can head over and then go for this one. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.